Those conservation orders come as local officials say, given the scope of the project, the repairs could take longer than the initial 2-week estimate. And it comes as several areas affected by this transmission line break face the possibility of going dry by the weekend. Now, this includes parts of Fayetteville, the north portion of Pompey, and the southern part of the village of Manlius. Now, over the past 24 hours, usage has dropped from about 5 million gallons per day to about 3.5 million. That's because crews have built new pathways to feed water into the most impacted areas.
If we can stay where we are right now in these ranges, we can probably crawl through this. In the event that something is to change and conservation efforts go by the wayside, we're going to be probably right back where we were.
The county has 30,000 cases ready to go should water run out, but they're asking for patience while crews work and that you continue to conserve. Now, as that work progresses and with that shifting timeline for completion, that has a lot of folks worried about whether they'll have enough H2O for the next few weeks. News Channel 9's Allie Elkins spoke with people about how they're doing.
Onondaga County preparing for the worst-case scenario.
We're ready for the emergency response when necessary.
And with so much to repair, the county executive also preparing for that work to take longer.
We're anticipating that it will take longer than 2 weeks, just from a planning standpoint.
And a lot of people weren't even sure if the water was going to last the 2 weeks this was originally supposed to take. But now that the county executive said it could take more than 2 weeks, people are unsure about what's next.
We should definitely be more prepared for times like this, situations like this that just come up randomly.
This one popping up as travelers arrive in the area for the holidays.
My parents are in town because they live in Florida, so they just showed up and they're at a hotel that's, I think they're under the thing, so they're like, what do we do about that?
And people aren't just rushing to the stores for Christmas presents. They're looking for water, too.
I was at the grocery store yesterday. It was just weird to see, no water whatsoever on any shelves.
I'm hoping that they can get it fixed as quickly as possible.
But still no clear answers on when. In Syracuse, Allie Elkins, News Channel 9.
And when local officials plan to hold another news briefing on the situation, we'll be there for you and bring you the latest developments.
Download the WSYR Plus app on your TV to stream News Channel 9 for free. Just go to your smart TV, search WSYR Plus in the App Store, and download to start streaming today.